Hello there, it's Aston here from Anchor Cars, just giving you a video walk around of the Macan that you've inquired on with us. You're glad to know the vehicle is still available, looking absolutely lovely. It's a little bit dirty at the moment, it is due to go in for a valet shortly, but thought I'd give you a proper view before it does. As you can see, looking absolutely lovely. No major dinks, dents, lumps or bumps. All the alloys are in a proper condition as well. Yeah, that sports exhaust rumbling there. No signs of scuffs or marks on the alloys. On the interior we've got a lovely red leather the whole way through, red and black. Really pops quite well with the grey. Rear alloys looking lovely as well. Then up to the front. Jumping inside the interior, I'll show you some of the specs as well. So as I mentioned, we've got this two-tone black and red leather throughout. It's a bit of a darker red. The camera does make it look a little bit brighter than it is. Then we've got this beautiful sunroof the whole way back. That is a sliding glass roof. Also inside the vehicle is fitted with the Bose surround sound speakers, electric adjusted seats. Once again, the leather's in really nice condition. No real signs of aging, cracking or wear. There's the exact mileage on the dash for you. Up here in the front, we've got your standards as you'd expect: DAB radio, Bluetooth for your phone, sat nav. We've then got dual climate control for both the front driver and passenger. And as I said, sports exhaust kitted on as well, which sounds absolutely lovely. All in all, absolutely lovely car. I'm sure you agree, and I look forward to hearing back from you. Thank you.